Hey LEGO fans, I think it's time for some vintage LEGO Technic. This is a Universal Technic set, which is a great introduction to building LEGO Technic models. It's essentially a good selection of Technic parts with instructions for a number of ideas provided designed to spark the imagination. Use brick. Use brick.
I'm running a little bit late. I'm on my way into the studio, but if I don't make it in time, here's the information for this week's video. This set is number 8020 and it was released in 1984, consists of 119 parts and was the smallest of the Universal Technic sets at the time of release. Of all the Technic sets released in 1984, this set was the only one with no pneumatic functions. Cheerio!
Okay, this set came with instructions for 6 models, which are the van, the Land Rover, the garbage truck, the snowplow, the windmill and the helicopter. We're going to start our look at this set by building the van.
There's just one main play feature to speak of in this set, and that's the rack and pinion steering, which is controlled by the wheel on the roof. This particular method is possibly the most common technique to control the steering in Technic models. Oh yeah, the doors open and close too. I guess it makes 2 play features.
Thanks for checking out this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below if you'd like to see more of the journey of the vintage brick. If you'd like to see this build in real time, then check out my first live stream in the live streams playlist. That's all from me, so be awesome and I'll see you next time.